fundamental definition, fundamental in a sentence, fundamental pronunciation, fundamental meaning. Welcome to another research paper word, American pronunciation of fundamental. Fundamental. Fun-da-men-tal. Fundamental. Fundamental as an adjective means of central importance. Fundamental as a noun means a central rule on which something is based. Common usages in academic writing: a fundamental property, a fundamental protein, a fundamental aspect, to understand the fundamentals, to be fundamentally sound, to be fundamentally flawed. Example sentence, fundamental, adjective. The UN fights for the protection of fundamental human rights. The common academic writing variations are fundamental, noun. In his earlier work, he set out to discover the fundamentals of entomology. And fundamentally, adverb. Plant and animal cells are fundamentally similar, with the cell wall being the most distinguishable feature. Please write a sentence using fundamental in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of fundamental, the meaning of fundamental, and fundamental example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.